think I put my nub in upside down or some crap. What the hell? Hey guys, so funny story. I took apart my Hopup unit to clean my barrel before the game, and somehow my nub didn't go back in. Like, it's just not there. I have no nub, and I had zero clue. And I guess it's time to go out and play. I think I put my nub in upside down or some crap. What the hell? One down, dead ahead. That might have been him, I don't know.
One down. Are we front line?
Yeah.
Okay. Straight ahead, look out.
Oh shit. Here they come. Here they come, okay. Oh my god, dude.
Nice scene, you can see them sort of coming.
Yeah.
At this range.
That's one.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I just burped.
I see it.
Oh god. My left here, watch out, they're spraying.
Oh. Nice.
Okay. That's another one. Right behind you. Oh god, I almost fell. What's happening here? I don't like that at all. Dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Left side's out. Moving up. I got sniper fire, my 12.
Your 12. Not seeing anything.
I can't see where my BBs are flying.
Yeah.
Oh.
Didn't he have like all the guys?
Okay. Yep. Move up! Okay, sorry. I'll save you guys the trouble of listening to the entire countdown. We almost got him, but there were still a few stragglers. As for my hop-up, you can bet I'll remember to check for that nub before putting everything back together. The difference was pretty night and day compared to the first game. Anyway, you guys take care. See you next time.